particular website will pay you between $14 to $22 an hour from the comfort of your home, just for you to teach English to students. You're going to be able to set your own schedule and work on your own time. No minimum hour requirements. They will also provide you with the lesson plan and their in-class curriculum. You just focus on teaching. So they value their teachers very well, and that is why they compensate them really well. You can earn between $14 to $22 an hour. Imagine that, guys. So if you're interested, watch the video till the end. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, we talk about how to make money online. Do well to subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, leave a like, and share the video to people that might be interested in it. Don't forget to leave your post notification on so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be among the first to see the video. Let's continue. This particular website has been featured in Bloomberg, Business Insider, Fortune, Forbes, The Economist, CNBC. That is to show you how reliable and legit this website is. So we're going to look at the things that you need to know before you get started. Let's look at the application process. So when you come here, you're going to create an account with this VIP kit. That is the name of the website, VIP kit, and fill out an online application form. Then you're going to complete a short demo lesson. Their team will review it, and if you show you have the necessary skills, you will hear from them. You will review materials on VIP Kids curriculum, teacher standards, and technology requirements. Teach a mock class with a current VIP Kids teacher to prepare you for teaching. This is really serious. Complete your profile and sign your VIP Kids contract. You're ready to start teaching. You see how important it is that you have to sign a contract. That is to show you that they are really serious with their teachers, and they are going to also pay you well for that. How much will I make with VIP Kids? We've discussed that. You're going to make between $14 to $22 an hour. And is there a commitment to teach with VIP Kids? So you're going to sign 6 months contracts with them, but there is no minimum hour requirement. So feel free to take a break or teach as much or as little as you'd like. So even though you're going to sign a contract, you're not obligated to work full time. You can decide to work 20 hours a week or even more. So you said, do I need to be able to speak other languages to teach English online? No, you don't need to speak other languages. They offer their courses in English. So everything is in English. So we're going to also look at the pay. This is very important. The payment fundamentals. You're going to get paid per class. Your earnings are based on the number of classes you teach. The more classes you teach, the more you can earn. There is no limit. The base pay rate is between $7 to $9. That's $7 to $9 per class. And since classes are 25 minutes each, you can earn the equivalent of $14 to $18 per hour plus incentives. So for the incentives, from teaching more classes to referrals, there are lots of opportunities to earn extra. In general, with incentives, a teacher can earn the equivalent of $14 to $22 per hour with VIP Kids. And then you're going to earn on your own terms. That is the withdrawal method, the payout method. You can deposit directly to your wallet. Then payments are transferred directly to your bank account, depending on your location, by the way. You can also set up through PayPal. So you're going to choose how you want to get paid. Your earnings all in one place. Everything is tracked. When you're done with each class, simply view all your earnings in the VIP Kids Teach app. They have an app as well. Customize your pay schedule. We offer different payment options. You may choose to be paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. After classes have been taught, payments will be sent out in your next day period. This is good. So once you're done with your classes today, the next day periods, your money will be sent. Once you become a teacher, you also get to enjoy community perks from partners like Amazon, TurboTax, ClassPass, and more. Just another reason to teach with them. So if you're ready and want to start immediately, just click on Get Started and go to the sign up page. So let's do the sign up page. So you're going to enter your email address, your password, and the referral code. If you have a referral code, you can enter it. Yeah, they offer a referral program where you earn something for referring people. So when you're sharing the link to people, make sure, or when you're telling people about it, make sure you also tell them about the referral program so that they can enter your referral code during their sign up. So I'll just go ahead and sign up and then we'll continue. So after having created the account using my email address, a password, and it signed me up. This is the sign up page. You're going to then create your teacher profile. You're going to answer your basic info, education, teaching certification. The reason why you need to fill this info is so that you can be connected with students who best fit your teaching style and expertise. So you're going to enter your name, your gender, your location. Let's check. So you can see that it takes from anywhere. You can see that it takes from all locations, even Nigeria. Okay. The reason I do this type of content is for people who are in Nigeria to also benefit, because most of the African countries have restrictions in place where they find it difficult to get online gigs. But this one is taken from Nigeria. It's taken from people from anywhere in the world. So don't worry about your location. You can be hired. You enter your country and the state. Okay, I'll just go with Nigeria. So once you enter your country, your state will automatically pop up. So you can choose any state that you're in. Okay. Then, are you a citizen or a permanent resident of that country? So you choose if you're a citizen of Nigeria or the United States, you put it. And once that is done, you're going to go over to your education, put your degree and the major and the university that you attended and the graduation date. Once that is completed, you then choose your teaching certification. So you're going to put your certificate name and issuing agency. But if you don't have, just click on I don't hold any teaching certificate and continue. So it doesn't really matter whether you hold a certificate or not, you can still be hired. Okay. So just select I don't hold any certificate and that will take you automatically and you finish this registration. Once you're done, you're good to go. So for the referral program, once you're done completing your profile, so don't forget to refer your friends and family to this particular website. You can also become an affiliate, and for content creators, you can become an affiliate and you will start earning as well as people register using your link. So you're going to fill an application to join them, and you don't need to be a VIP Kids teacher to do this one. You're going to share your affiliate link with your audience across your website and social media channels. Every time a new teacher joins from your affiliate link, you will earn a commission, you see. So you don't really need to be a teacher to earn from this particular website. The need for online teachers has never been greater. VIP Kid is the world's largest online teaching community with over 1 million students around the world. So you're going to earn money if you become an affiliate with them. So you can track all your affiliate earnings through the VIP Kid affiliate tracking system. Through the system, you can view the process of each candidate who signed up through your affiliate link. So it says that VIP Kids affiliate program is open to everyone, including non-teachers. We ask that each of our affiliate partners has at least one channel and audience that aligns with the VIP Kid brand. Channels could include blogs, influencer followings, schools with access to teacher candidates, etc. So there are so many things you can do to earn money from this website. Okay, so even if you're not gonna teach, share the link to others. You can make money if another person signs up using your code or your affiliate link. So don't sleep on this one. Go and sign up right now. Share the video, share your link to people, friends and family so that they can come sign up and you start making your money. But if you know how to teach, go ahead and sign up. All you need is a laptop. You can also do it with your phone, but I think you need to get a laptop. So if you don't have a laptop and you're looking for online gig, try and get a laptop. No matter how cheap it is, get a laptop. You know, this is better than all the online service that we talk about. These ones pay you real money. So that's why you need to, hop on this one and go sign up as soon as possible. So thank you so much. If you have watched to this end, thank you for sticking to the end. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to sign up for this one, and like the video, share it, leave your post notification on so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be among the first to watch it, okay, before it gets flooded. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one.